Hey guys, here's your little pep talk today. You know that old saying, Rome wasn't built in a day? Well, that's especially true when you're trying to change a habit or a behavior in your marriage or in your life. So I want to encourage you not to throw the baby out with the bathwater if you have one bad day. You're probably going to have one bad day. You're probably going to have several bad days. But just remember, the way you change any behavior is you take small steps. That means you try to find a healthy behavior to replace that bad one with every day. The more consistent you are, and it takes about 30 to 60 days to change a habit or replace a habit with a better one, that's what you're looking at. So that means consistently every day. Let's say you're trying to practice talking nicer to your partner. That means every day it's important you wake up and you start the day the right way and you try to say as many kind things as you can. The idea is if you put more into the positive bank, then you're going to take more out at the end of the month. And it's really, really the best way to change. So don't give up. Don't react negatively. Don't react with the old bad habit. Just keep going forward. You're going to turn this around. I have great faith.